Hey Vogue. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I thought today it would be really fun to do a Vogue What's in the Bag video. I know I watched so many of them growing up and I was always so jealous of their nice bags, but it turns out I have a nice bag now. I treated myself to a Ghani bag and I saw another YouTuber do a video of like a beauty secrets Vogue, pretending she was in that, which I'll link below. And it was really nice, it was really funny. So I thought I'll do the same, but with a what's in the bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Give it a like and a comment if you enjoy it too, and subscribe. Hey Vogue, it's Katie Robinson and this is what's in my bag. I've been obsessed with my bag ever since I saw it on the runway earlier this year. It is the Ghani bow bag, very cute in this little hexagonal design. And I chose to get the recycled black leather rather than the cactus leather for a number of reasons, of which you can watch on my TikTok here. So let's start with, I'm just gonna pull something out. Hand cream from And the Other Stories. So this is in the Sicilian Sunrise scent, which is so nice. It's like a lemony, really summer, nice scent, and I have the spray and the perfume in it. So highly recommend. Next, we have these cute retro sunglasses in black, and I also have them in tortoiseshell because I just think they fit my face really nicely. I think they're from Another Stories too, so I'm sensing a theme here. But moving on, I have a little hairbrush, very cute lilac. This is my little card wallet. I have some important stuff in here, like an organ donor card. And yeah, I find it really easy. I don't carry cash anymore, so yeah, just cards in here, ID, yada yada. What is next? Oh, some tissues with a hair on them because it is hay fever season and I have been struggling for the first time ever this year. So I've been carrying these everywhere. Okay, next. Oh, here's the matching scent to the Sicilian Sunrise hand cream. It's really nice. I seem to have lost the lid, but I wish you could smell this through that, but it's so like lemony and light. Would definitely recommend going to Another Stories for perfume, although they're not that sustainable, but I'll make an exception for their perfume. Yeah. What else is in here? Oh, so the bag came with an adjustable strap, which is just in the same like gold hardware. Which makes it really nice. There's a crossbody bag too. I've worn it a couple of times like that, but it's nice to have the option. So let's go through some lip salve, Burt's Bees. This is the pomegranate one, but I do really like their honey version. That's really moisturizing for my lips. I like this one, but honey would have to be my favorite. And last part of the front there's two compartments here. So the last part of the front compartment is some hand spray. This one's from Oliver Bonus. It's like a lavender, which is a bit granny, but it kind of went with the theme of the hairbrush, so I allowed it. Okay, next. Headphones. You will not catch me with AirPods. I would lose those in a second. So I have these fit in my bag, and I actually have big wireless ones for when I'm working out or when I'm going for a run or whatever. But yeah, I cannot fit these in here, unfortunately. So I have my wired headphones. Okay, what else? Keys with a little air tag. Not that important, so move on. A pen is so important. It is the one thing I always want to carry because you never know when you're going to need it, but when you do, no one has one, so I carry a pen. Again, gum. Although gum has some plastic. We have to be imperfectly perfect, kids. Like sometimes sustainable people are not that sustainable. Gum has microplastics in it, but I'm addicted. So, you know, swings and roundabouts. Last thing. Oh, a hair clip. Okay, thank you for watching What's in My Bag. I hope you enjoyed. I now have to reorganize my bag because I am a neat freak and it's all over the table now. So wish me luck with that and have a lovely day. Bye.